Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the XPX EA-178D 18-inch television, and I've got to say I'm really impressed with what this compact TV brings to the table. If you're looking for an affordable display solution for a bedroom, kitchen, or small office space, this might be exactly what you need. Let's start with the basics. This 18-inch TV features a crisp display that delivers clear picture quality for everyday viewing. The black finish gives it a sleek, modern appearance that fits nicely into any room decor. Despite its compact size, the build quality feels solid and durable, which is impressive at this price point. One of the standout features is the versatility. Whether you're watching streaming content, news, or playing casual games, this television handles it all smoothly. The display resolution provides good clarity for a TV of this size, making it perfect for closer viewing distances. Navigation is incredibly user-friendly. The remote control is intuitive, and the menu system is straightforward, so even if you're not particularly tech-savvy, you'll have no trouble finding what you need. The connectivity options are solid too, giving you multiple ways to connect your devices and content sources. The audio quality is decent for a compact television. While it won't shake your room, dialogue comes through clearly and the sound is balanced well across different content types. If you want enhanced audio, you can always connect external speakers. Portability is another advantage here. This 18-inch size is light enough to move between rooms if needed, yet substantial enough to feel like a proper television experience. The stand is stable and doesn't take up much desk or shelf space. Value for money? Outstanding. You're getting a reliable, feature-rich television without breaking the bank. It's perfect for a secondary TV, dorm room, or anyone on a budget who doesn't want to compromise on basic quality. The XPX EA-178D is an excellent choice if you need a small, affordable television that performs reliably. It's a solid investment for the price. If this review helped you out, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.